Yeah, I do think this opportunity is suited to some people better than to others. This is certainly a place where one should not sort of obstinately cling on to one's own scientific identity. You don't want to come here and to say, I am a physicist, or I am a chemist, or I am a biologist. You want to take from whatever areas of science you can and pick up whatever new skills you can, regardless of what sort of discipline they come from. So you become this kind of amorphous, jack-of-all-trades type scientist, and that's certainly something which I think the students who are looking for this kind of opportunity should consider. Furthermore, it is something where you want to be someone who is okay putting themselves out there, okay making themselves look like a fool from time to time when things don't work out, okay asking for help on their own rather than assuming that someone is going to hold their hand. This does, I think, require a certain kind of independence and motivation. So, yeah, I think it does take a certain kind of person for sure.